Hi everyone, welcome to our weekly Q&A session. Today we're gonna speak about traffic sources. And first we will start with a little bit information about how the tracking works. We have three main elements in affiliate marketing, except your desire and money. These are traffic source, the tracker, so is RedTrack, and affiliate network. And to start your affiliate business, you should choose all three. So here you see the standard tracking funnel where everything starts with the traffic source. For example, it can be Exoclick, MGID, Google Ads, Facebook, Propeller ads, and many others. Then your traffic goes through the tracker where the tracking magic happens. We collect all the necessary information the traffic source sends us and the information we collect ourselves and perform all the necessary directs. Then the traffic goes to your affiliate network offer. Affiliate network can be any you like, for example, Top Offers, ClickBank, Max Bounty, Alpha Leads, Big Bang Ads, and many others. So what is a traffic source? It is a company providing traffic for you. They are represented by different entities. It can be social networks and blogs, advertising networks or agencies, websites, and so on. Depending on the flow you are using, it can be either some paid traffic source, for example, MGID, Google AdWords, Facebook, or your own website if you have one. So traffic source is one of the core entities of affiliate marketing, and you need to be very attentive when you choose one, because it's the traffic that will make money for you. So of course, traffic source choice also depends on the offers you promote. So here is a little bit about the most widespread types of traffic. First of all, it's pop traffic. Started on a desktop a few years ago and have made their point in affiliate marketing world. It's one of the cheapest types of traffic. Just because of it's one of the cheapest, it's newbies really like pop traffic. Among disadvantages of pop traffic, it's a big discrepancy. When you will start tracking, you will notice that there can be some data discrepancies. There can be more clicks in your traffic source statistics than in the tracker, or vice versa. And another disadvantage is that the more intrusive the traffic is, the lower audience engagement is. So it's about pop traffic. Another one is push traffic. Push notification is a short alert message with an icon that appears in your client's browser or mobile device. You can see the example of push notification. Among advantages is that it's a bot-free traffic. User knowingly agrees to receive push notification and has to subscribe to a website's notification. So guarantees real human users. Another one is that it targets the right users. Your message will appears right on the user's device or browser, ensuring maximum viewability. Among disadvantages is that it functions just like a pop-up ad, and push traffic will work only when loyalty is already high. So people only agree to notifications if they already trust the brand. I should also say that more and more advertisers decide to use pop and push traffic nowadays. So these two types of traffic are becoming really top requested. So if you begin with affiliate marketing, they are really great for you. Another one is native. Native advertising is the use of paid ads that match the look, feel, and function of the media format in which they appear. Among advantages is that native ads, unlike display ads or banner ads, they don't really look like ads. and ad blockers can't recognize native ads as ads. So they are really effective. The biggest disadvantage of native ad is that they are expensive. They are most probably the most expensive of all traffic types. Another one is in-app traffic. In-app advertising is an effective monetization strategy for mobile publishers. And app developers get paid to serve advertisements within their mobile app. Among advantages is captive audience and more targeted audience, because your audience is engaged within the app, and therefore it is in tune with your brand. Among disadvantages is that engagement with banner ads is low in app advertising, and with video ads is also shrinking. Display ads. If you own a website or multiple websites with a significant amount of traffic, then display banners might be a great way to monetize it. If you don't have a website with high volume traffic, you can buy advertising space on other websites. So main thing here is that the ads should be relevant to the website content. Among biggest advantages is that many agencies offer very low CPM, it's cost per 1,000 impressions. And another one is that it allows more control and better targeting than most other marketing methods. Disadvantages are ad blockers, because this type of ads is frequently blocked by ad blockers and may cause your tracking data discrepancy. And another one is that premium ad spaces are offered within select groups and can be difficult to infiltrate. The last one is social type of traffic. You all know about it. It's Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Contacte, and many, many other social networks. I think it doesn't need to be described because you all know what does it mean. Now I will describe a little bit how to adjust your postback setups with such traffic sources as Propeller ads, MGID, and Exoclick. I will also show you where to add your tracking URL if you use one of these traffic sources. And we'll show you how to add a custom traffic source if the one you are using is not available in a preset template. So let's go first to RedTrack. To add a traffic source, you need to go to your traffic sources tab, click New, and since we already have preset templates for Propeller, MGID, and Exoclick, I just type here the names and add the traffic source. And here, see, we already have pre-filled information. The most important information is a postback URL template. Here it is. And the click ref ID. Here it is. As for Propeller ads, you need to adjust your postback URL a little bit. To do that, we go to a Propeller ads account. Go to tracking. And here you see the postback URL template Propeller provides. What you need to take from here is your unique AID and TID values. Just copy it from here and put it here. Since I do not have a PID, I simply remove it from the template. So that's it. As for the postback setup on RedTrack site, you just simply save it. And now I'll show you where to add your tracking URL in Propeller. You go to Campaigns, press Create Campaign, fill in the necessary information. It will be some name of your campaign, advertising format, pricing model. And here is what we need, target URL field. Here you will have to paste your campaign URL after you create it. Then you just choose all other parameters and create your campaign. So that's it. It's quite simple, and you can always ask support about help. Let's proceed with MGID. The template is also available in our presets. I simply find it. And here you see we already have S2S postback URL template and click ref ID. With MGID setup, you need to adjust a little bit. We add a campaign here. Put some information, choose a name, campaign type, campaign category, choose any campaign language. I will just choose some silly data to show you. Confirm. And here you see you have a tracking tags section available and conversion sensors section available. In tracking tags, you need to put this parameter, click ID equals click ID. It's important for internal MGID tracking. As for the postback template, since we already have one in RedTrack, you need to add the event name for MGID. You can add new goal manually, but MGID has a preset template for RedTrack. You can just find it here. And you see there are postbacks for interest, desire, and action. Just press OK. And you see that there is an event name available here. You can just copy it and put to your RedTrack account. Oh, sorry. Here it is. And you can name the event the way you like. If you will add some custom, you can name your event registration or lead or any other, and simply save it. After you save it in MGID as well, you should go to add a new add field. And here you will put your tracking URL. The rest is your custom settings. I will not show you just because everyone has some different values here. So the most important is you put your tracking URL here. So now we'll go to Exoclick setup. We also have a preset template. Press add, and here you see we have S2S postback URL and click ref ID as well. The most important thing about Exoclick is that you need to put your unique goal value into the postback URL. Go to your Exoclick account, campaigns, conversion tracking. Here you see a new goal field. Press type some name, it will be test, and press save. And here is your goal ID. You simply copy it and put here. So that's it about postback settings. As for the tracking URL, you go to new campaigns. Here we need marketing material. add variations, and here's the field for your tracking URL. You put it here, add some creatives, because Exoclick doesn't allow you to save it without at least one creative, and save it, and that's it. You will have to choose some traffic categories, of course, but as for the integration with RedTrack, that's all you need. Now I will show you how you should add your custom traffic source if you do not have the one available now in preset list. Here we have a create custom button. You should type some name. Grab the postback template from your traffic source. And here we have tips. What you need to know is that a ref ID parameter is the RedTrack parameter for click ID we receive from the traffic source. You will obviously need to use it in your postback URL template. In most cases, traffic sources provide some tips what dynamic parameters should be replaced in your URL. And if there are some such tips, just keep in mind that you should replace them with the ref ID parameter. And you will also need to take the click ID parameter from the traffic source and put it here. These parameters are usually available in the parameters list available in your account directly, or you can also ask your account manager. They will help you with correct values. So you put some parameter here, put the URL here, and simply save it. So it will be your custom traffic source. You can always ask our support for help. We will be happy to help you with adding a traffic source to your account or even to the preset templates list. So that's it. I'll check. Oh, there are no questions. So if you will have any, do not hesitate. We are available for your questions, and we'll be happy to help you with your setup. So have a good day and goodbye.